I've made a new Python file and I named it Variables Tutorial. We know how to print, like printing 7 plus 5 equals 12, or printing 7 plus 5 equals 7 plus 5. Then running it, 7 plus 5 equals 12. No sweat because we know exactly what we want to print. Most of the time we don't know exactly what to print. Let's do the same thing that we did here, but this time using random numbers. We can make the computer remember the first number and the second number by using variables. So let's import random, then let's create the first num stands for number, random from 6 to 10. First num is the name of the variable. The equal sign assigns the variable names of value. The value of the variable is a whole number from 6 to 10. By doing so, the computer will also remember this value. So let's type the second num, then equals random.random, then 1 to 5. Second num is the name of the variable. Its value is a random whole number from 1 to 5. The computer will also remember this value. So let's print first num, double quotes, plus second num, double quotes, equals, then first num plus second num. So let's run it. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 9 plus 1 equals 10. We can use variables to make the computer remember something. They are so important that almost all videos in this series will have them.